Students, today we are going to discuss a topic in chemistry. Generally, many such a cases we are going to use, that is nothing but chemical combination. What is a chemical combination? What are the different examples of the chemical combination we are going to perform with activities? The first activity what we are going to do is, we are going to take a magnesium ribbon. We will hold the magnesium ribbon by using a tongue, and then we will burn the magnesium ribbon by using the Bunsen burner. Then what happens that we may observe. In the second example of combination, we are going to take a beaker. Inside the beaker, calcium oxide we are going to take. The calcium oxide is nothing but quicklime. For that we are going to add some amount of water. What happens in these two examples, we are going to do the activities. After observing the activity, I will give a clarity what is the meaning of chemical combination, what is the definition of chemical combination, what happens in the case of chemical combination. Students, this is called magnesium ribbon. See, it will be there in the form of a ribbon. So for that, this is called magnesium ribbon. We can break this easily by using our hand. Simply we can break this. Yes, this is a piece of magnesium ribbon. As I told earlier, we are going to hold the magnesium ribbon by using the tongs. This is called pair of tongs, or otherwise forceps we used to call. We should hold like this. Now it will be there in the form of a straight line. Now keep it aside. Then, as you already know, this is called the Bunsen burner. Now I am going to lit the Bunsen burner. Yes. Now what should we do? As we said earlier, we should heat up the magnesium ribbon. Observe carefully. See, the magnesium ribbon slowly getting heated up. Then, first of all, it is converted into red hot. Then, within a few fraction of seconds, it gets heated and converted into red hot. See here, the magnesium ribbon burning with a dazzling white light. Dazzling white light means our eyes will get dazzled because of that white light. We can observe this principle in the firing of crackers. Even a cracker is burned like this, the magnesium ribbon that present in the wick of the cracker will catch hold. I think all of you observed, the students. Now, what the thing is happened here? The magnesium ribbon, whenever it gets heated up, it's reacted with the atmospheric oxygen, means magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium hydroxide. The formed powder is called magnesium hydroxide. It will be there in the form of a strap. If you hold like this and then if you rub like this, we can get a powder. This powder is called magnesium hydroxide. Will you say what the color of this? The color of the powder is nothing but white color. Why? It is formed with a dazzling white light. That means magnesium burns with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This is the one of the example that in the case of combination reaction. Why it is a combination? Magnesium reacted with the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of heat, it forms magnesium oxide. Here two reactants are combined to form one product. So such reaction is called as a combination reaction. Let us do one more combination reaction with calcium oxide. See, this is a calcium oxide. Calcium oxide otherwise also called quicklime. Calcium oxide otherwise also called quicklime. I am going to take some amount of the calcium oxide in a crucible or otherwise in a beaker with either spatula or otherwise the spoon you can consider. What is this compound? Calcium oxide. Will you say what is the color? The color is nothing but white color. Now certain amount of the calcium oxide is taken in a beaker. For that we are going to add some quantity of water. Yes, we should add some quantity of water. I think you observe some of the bubbles are arising. We can observe some of the bubbles are coming. What those bubbles? That's nothing but carbon dioxide. See, it is converted into milky, white color milky substance. Yeah, if you hold at the bottom, of the beaker, a little bit hot it is. Why it is hot? What the thing is happened? That means some amount of the heat is released in this reaction. What that reaction? Calcium oxide, which is we are calling as quicklime, reacted with water to form a solution. That solution is called as slacked lime. This means slacked lime is nothing but CaOH twice. The reaction, some amount of the heat is generated. That case, that type of reactions are called exothermic reactions. Why it is called exothermic? The thermal reaction in which heat is liberated is called as exothermic reaction. Here the reactants are calcium oxide and as well as water. What is the product? The product is nothing but calcium hydroxide. So here two reactants are combined to form a single product. Means two reactants are combined, so that reactions are called chemical combination reactions. Now what is meaning of a chemical combination reaction? The chemical reaction in which two or more reactants are combined to form a single product. Such reactions are called chemical combination reactions. Let us discuss these chemical combination reactions with equations on the board. In the example 1, we taken the magnesium that is there in the form of solid. This means physical state of magnesium is a solid and the state of oxygen is gas. Both of them are reacted. Then what happens? It forms magnesium oxide. You already know under the crisscross method. Magnesium is a metal, whereas well as oxygen is a non-metal. So the compound that is formed between the metal and as well as non-metal is a ionic compound. This ionic compound, what is the state? Here I wrote S. S stands for solid. So here magnesium and as well as oxygen are the reactants. Now what is meaning of reactants? The compounds or the elements which undergo the process of the reaction is called reactants. Then what is formed? Magnesium oxide is formed. So this magnesium oxide is the product. The elements or compounds that is formed after the reaction is called as a product. The reactants gives the products. Here this is a combination reaction. Why? Because dazzling white light is liberated. Come to this example. Here in that, as we shown earlier in the experiment, we taken the beaker. Into the beaker some amount of the quicklime that we are calling as calcium oxide is taken. For that we added water and we stirred well. Then we observed a white colored liquid that is called calcium hydroxide. This only we are doing in the case of whitewash. What is whitewash? Generally for the house rises we are going to apply the whitewash. So in this case calcium oxide that is called quicklime, reacted with water to form calcium hydroxide. See here I wrote plus Q. What is meaning of plus Q? Along with the calcium hydroxide, some amount of heat is also liberated. If the heat is liberated, such reaction is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. That calcium hydroxide, which you are calling as a slacked line, reacted with the carbon dioxide after the whitewash, the calcium hydroxide reacting with the carbon dioxide, then it is converted into calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Under crisscross method we can write. Now calcium carbonate, which we are calling as marble. See here some of the names. Calcium oxide is called quicklime, calcium hydroxide is called slacked lime, whereas well as calcium carbonate is called marble. If you observe all these cases, here the reactants are 2, here also the reactants are 2, here also reactants are 2, the product is 1. This means 2 or more reactants combined to form a single product. Such reactions are called chemical combination reactions. Let us learn the definition of chemical combination reactions and exothermic reactions now. The general form of chemical combination definition is when 2 or more elements or compounds. Here these 2 are elements, here these 2 are compounds. 2 or more elements or compounds are combined to form a single product. See here the product is 1, here also the product is 1, here also product is 1. Such kind of the reaction is called chemical combination. How to represent generally? Here 2 products, 2 reactants are there and gives a single product. Examples are 2 molecules of magnesium, that is a solid. This S indicates the physical state of the given element. Here the physical state of the given element oxygen is gas. For example sake, if you consider water, the general state of the water is liquid. So water is nothing but H2O. General representation is A plus B gives rise to AB. 2mg plus O2 gives rise to 2mgO plus Q. Why we wrote Q? Q stands for heat. Here, along with the products, some amount of heat is liberated. For that sake only it is an exothermic reaction. Dazzling white light. That white light is pure white light. We already saw in the reaction. So, some amount of the carbon also reacted with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide, which we are calling as quicklime, reacted with the water to form a slacked lime. Along with that, heat is also liberated. Why? Because whenever we touch the beaker, it is hot. This means some amount of the heat is liberated, which is an exothermic reaction. Now let us come, what is meaning of exothermic reaction? The thermal reaction. Why? Because the heat is there, so it indicates thermal reaction. The thermal reaction which is accompanied by the release of heat energy. Exo means release. What it should release? Heat should release. For that sake that is called as an exothermic reaction. This is the general examples and as well as the explanation for a chemical combination reaction. Thank you.